Cold medicine bag assorting counting machinery are widely distributed across various industries due to the essential role in packaging. Here's a breakdown of their functions. 1. Sorting, dispersion and orientation. The machine takes a disorganized pile of sachets and separates them, often using conveyor belts and rollers, to be oriented in a consistent manner, e.g. same side up, same direction. 2. Counting, accurate counting. The machine counts the sachets as they are sorted, providing a precise quantity for packaging or other processes. 3. Integration with packaging. Feeding packaging machines. Sorted and counted sachets can be directly fed into packaging machines for further processing, such as flow wrapping or cartoning. 4. Additional features. It can connect to other equipment like checkweighers and metal detectors.